What we do here is go back.
What's up, guys? So I got some pretty big news today. I'm going to be installing my Perrin catback exhaust on my 2017 WRX. And there she is. I'll have probably 2 videos, one install, and then I'll have like a drive-by and like a before and after, basically. So, all right. So obviously the first thing you want to do is just jack the car up. So the first thing I did here was I loosened up the axle back bolts, got them ready to be taken out. After I loosened up the axle bolts, I went to the mid pipe and just unbolted that, got that ready to basically be taken out also. Okay, the next thing I did was went back to the back and I took these 2 off of their 2 hangers each. Alright, so since I didn't care about keeping the hangers, since I got the new ones, the stronger, better ones from Perrin, I just cut them off and it made it so much easier to take like half off after. Just obviously be careful not to cut anything. what I did here was just sand a little bit of the excess like rust off of there so that it was a clean fitment for the new exhaust.
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah.
So I got the mid pipe on. Gotta hold it by a jack, so you don't have to hold it up.
So then I moved on to the back and to put basically the axle back part back on. I found it was easiest to put the hangers on first because they're pretty difficult to get on, and then you have to put the one closest, I guess, to the front of the car on first, and then that back one is the easiest way. And for this part, you're probably going to need some help to put these in.
Got the hangers on.
Okay, so the next small pipe that connects to the mid pipe has a hanger on it, so that's easy to just hang up there, and you could bolt that to the mid pipe. Next, you want to connect that pipe to this Y pipe, and then right where these two V-bands are is where you can adjust at the Y pipe and make it touch the two tips to wherever they need to go.
Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Comment down below what you think of my exhaust and what you think I should do to it. I think I'm going to put the Cobb J-pipe. I don't know about, I think resonated, maybe not, I don't know yet. Comment what you think about that. And then next I think I'm going to definitely do rims though, so stay tuned, subscribe so you see what rims I get. That'll probably be my one of my next two videos, and I'll see you next video.